Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm making this video to tell you how to use Zotero for referencing. It's really easy. I will show you how. First of all, we have to download Zotero with the Zotero connector. So I would simply write download Zotero in the browser tab. I will open the Zotero website, which you can see here. Now you have to be careful because we have to add two things. First of all, we have to install Zotero application for Windows, which could be downloaded from here. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need it. And the second thing is installing Zotero connector for the browser. You can see I already have Zotero connector installed, which can be seen here, so I don't need to install it. It's also one thing to be noted that it's saying install Chrome connector because I am using the Chrome browser. If you are using some other browser like Mozilla Firefox, it will show the appropriate connector here, so you can download and install it simply without any worry. Once the both applications are installed, we have to go to the document. We have to run Zotero in the background, which is running. Open the document from where we want to cite the reference. For example, I have made a demo document where I want to cite something for my claim, as almost 50% of the people die before their 70th birthday. So I want to cite a reference here. I will have to go to the reference site. For example, I go to the scholar google.com. I will go to the scholar.google.com, find out a reference paper, for example, death rate in America. Open the desired journal, and once the page get fully loaded, I will see the Zotero icon to be converted to a paper like icon. You can see as the paper gets downloaded, it will be converted to an icon like this. For example, I want to cite this paper, which I already have opened. I will click to this icon so that it can pick the data, and once this is bold, it means it has already downloaded the data related to that paper, and I can cite it here. The diet and 15-year death rate in 7 countries study. So I will go to the desired place, go to the Zotero tab, which will be available here after installation. I will click add edit citation, pick up a style, and then I will write a part of the title such as 15 year. Yeah, I can get the died and 15-year death rate. I simply have to press enter to select it and then press enter to add the in-text citation. For example, let's cite another paper here. I'll go to the paper link which have been opened. Now you can see this has been converted to a paper. It says save to Zotero. I'll click it and it will download the data. Epidemiology of fetal death in Latin America. So I will write a part of it here. Fetal death. It's appeared here. I just have to press the enter twice to get it here. And the part where I want to cite it in the long format or in bibliographic format, I have to go to that place and press add edit bibliography button, and it will appear in the desired format. If I want to change this format, it's really easy. I just have to go to the document preferences here, press the button and choose the desired style. For example, I want the Harvard style for referencing. I have to choose it and press the OK button. It will convert the all citation and in text into the Harvard style. I hope you would like the video and it would be helpful for your research and citation work. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.